guys, Brian here. We're gonna play Lightning Link, Magic Pearl, which is all over the screen right there. We're gonna be playing $1.50 or 30 bucks is in. Let's see how it goes. Alright, come on now. We need 6 of those, or 3 of the dolphins for a bonus. Woohoo, 210. Three more. Ah. Come on now. A couple reels of her would be just fine. Come on, dolphins. I don't have the magic touch on the Magic Pearl. Alright, come on. One time. That's all I ask. I'm not greedy. Yeah, 30 cents. Alright. Oh, not quite. We're almost to our $15 mark. Come on. Alright, now we're at $15 mark. So now we gotta try to push to get back to 30. And one good bonus will do it.
You need 5 or 6?
6.
Oh.
Oh, good. Alright, come on. Dolphins. One more. Oh, yeah. $0.75 cents, yay. Come on, 3 more. Oh no. That was 40 bucks right there. Oh, come on. Wow. Alright, 2 more spins. And last one. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Press the bolt. Yay. Boo. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Mason here. Today we're going to play a little Midnight Stampede. We're going to be playing the 2-cent denomination at 60 credits, so $1.20 a spin. We've got our $30 in there, $1.20 a spin. There we go. And we'll see how it goes. Here we go. Huh, money back on 2 sets of 2. So if I got a screen full of those, that would be good. And those sunset things are wild. That's wow. 60 cents for 5 of a kind wolves. Gross. I'm assuming I need 3 of those coins.
for you.
Not so good. The zebras didn't pay anything. That's weird. Okay. That's weird that the 10s paid, but the wolves, I don't know. I don't understand the world. Anyway, we're down to our $15 mark, so we're gonna try to get back up to 30. Here we go.
Ballistic on you and change symbols yet?
No.
That's coming up right here.
Come on, coin. No! Come on, baby. Coin me. No! Those wolves paid, and I got my money back. For the second time, thank you very much.
It's 2 more times than I did.
I don't understand why the wolves don't pay. Weird. Must not be a line. Come on, baby.
The game determines the lines after the symbols hit.
Something like that.
The wolves. That guy.
That's weird. Give me a coin, and then I won't care. Come on. No. All right, guys, couple more spins. And our last spin. Or not. Alright, we won like $8-ish. Almost $8. Alright, let's keep going. Nope. Two more spins.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Don't tease me. Don't tease me no more.
Damn.
That's gross. All right, last spin. All right, guys, that was Midnight Stampede of Terribleness.
Hey
Thanks for
guys,
watching.
Mason here.
Sorry. Hey guys, Mason here. I was just messing around with this machine after I lost my money at 60-cent bets, and I got the 8 free games. So we're gonna see how it goes. Here we go.
Hey, the wolves paid that time.
Yay! The wolves gave me nothing. Gross. Come on, do something stupid. All those become buffalo. Bison, I don't know. Oh, I thought they were locking like that. Come on, baby. Wow. Big win. I don't know how big of a win it could be with a 60-cent bet. Oh, it's $20.81. I'll take it. Wow.
That'll teach you to play a 2-cent denomination.
I've never played in 2 cents again. I'm turning from my evil ways. Okay. Let's keep going. All right. So far we won $22, which is more than I've won all day on anything. This might actually get me back up to 30. Wow, I shouldn't say that. Halfway done with our free games. I'm not going to say that. All right, come on.
Don't jinx it. Re-trigger.
Let's do that. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Hey, oh, I get free games on 2. It's like Buffalo. And I got free games re-triggered, probably 5? 4 additional free games. Let's do that. All the symbols are Buffalo thing again.
Yeah.
That was more fun. All right, guys, we're on game 7 of 12. Buffaloes.
You got your 30 back.
Woo.
I don't understand. understand.
You know, that's at 230. It's got to hit by 250. So I think now would be a good time for that just minor thing to hit. I don't know how it triggers. Is that random?
I think so.
I don't know. I'll look after. I won't bore you guys with that. Yuck. 3 more games. Come on, do the thing again.
Randomly on any bought game.
Huh.
How about coins?
Anything right here. Come on, big. Nope. All right. It was a $28 bonus. Oh, I missed my $30 mark by a penny. Yeah. But I'm done with this machine anyway. Thanks for watching, guys.